Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you with us to Splash RV Resort in Milton, Florida, and this trip was one for the books. We had the chance to join a rally with Less Junk More Journey, and it turned into an unforgettable week filled with amazing people, non-stop family fun, and a whole lot of laughter. There were kids' activities happening every day, from crafts and games to pool time and water slides. Our kids had the time of their lives. And when the sun went down, it was all about campfire nights, good conversations, and making real connections with fellow travelers. Close to the beautiful beaches of Navarre Beach, Splash RV Resort is a must-see. So come along as we show you around Splash, share some of our favorite moments, and maybe even inspire your next family adventure. We are Danny,
Melissa,
Emma, Jake,
and
we are Four Simple Lives.
Should we get a ride? What the heck?
Hey guys, we just wanted to break in for a quick second and tell you some exciting news. Melissa and I, along with our great friends, have started an RV podcast. It's called RV Trash Talk. On this podcast, we discuss unfiltered tips, tales, and fixes from the road. You can get our podcast on Spotify or Apple Podcasts, so please go check it out and tell us what you think.
Just parked at Splash RV.
It's awesome.
Yeah, awesome. We're at site C25. So we're actually here because the LJMJ rally is going to happen this week, but we got here early because this place is freaking sweet, man.
Yeah, it's huge. It's like almost 300 sites, I think.
Yeah. Here he comes.
Here at Splash RV Resort, there are 3 bathhouses. Loop B has a fitness center, showers, and restrooms. Loop E and C have laundry, showers, and restrooms.
Washers, 6 dryers, $3 each. Yeah. And they got parking right here, so you can bring your truck or golf cart if you want to get a golf cart here. And they have this screen that you can just input the washer and dryer number and then pay for it right there on credit card. So
Fancy technology.
Exactly. How convenient is that? You don't have to sign up for another stupid app. So yeah, they have the machine, they have an app that you can get, they have cards that you can sign up for, or they have a quarter machine. So pretty sweet. Nice laundry room. That's all I have to say about that.
Peace. If you do not own an RV, don't worry. Splash RV Resort has tons of cottages and several wagons that are really cool. lodge is the epicenter of Splash RV Resort. There are so many amenities like an arcade, camp store, beer garden, food trucks, gaga ball, cornhole, splash pool, lazy river, water slides, 2 huge pools, one is adults only, and a tiki bar for said adults. They always have kid activities going on, and at night they have live music and karaoke. The only negative to Splash RV Resort is the close proximity to Interstate 10. While it didn't bother us at Site C25, some people did complain about the noise. In our opinion, this is not a big deal, and a white noise machine in the RV at night drowns out the noise. We've been at Splash RV Resort in Milton, Florida for about 6 days, and this is an absolute must-have on your travels. It is so cool. The water parks, they have food, they got live music at nights, they got playgrounds, picnic areas, campfires. If you're traveling through Northwest Florida, you gotta hit Splash RV Resort in Milton, Florida. I hope you guys liked our tour of Splash RV Resort. If you're interested in these type of videos where we review RV parks, please tell us in the comments.
You got anything else you want to say?
Yeah.
What?
Bye.